Welcome to my channel. This is Nomadic J. Guess where I'm at now? Of course, you should know that by now. I am in Cancun, Mexico. Before I actually start this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell for the next video. Alright, I am headed to the hotel zone in Cancun, Punta Cancun is what they call it. I'm actually in the kind of the old area of Cancun, or the other Cancun, and I probably will share a video on that one. But for right now, let's focus on heading to the other Cancun, the one that we see on in videos and movies and so on and so forth, to vacation in. It's beautiful right now. I don't know how long this is going to last. The last couple of days, I actually been here a couple of days. It was kind of a little rough here, weather-wise, raining hard, but now it's good, but I don't know how long when it is. So we're gonna, I'm actually staying near the Mercado 28, which is Market 28, which is where they sell a lot of the souvenirs that people come to visit from all over, even from the hotel zone. And I'll probably share a video on that too. But I'm actually heading to Walmart to catch the bus. There's probably another place to catch the bus here, but I haven't figured out where it's at yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for right now. Go to the Walmart, which is about 10-15 minutes away, to catch the bus. You get the taxi blowing at you all the time, trying to take you somewhere. I'm actually used to it from being in Cartagena. It's always blowing. Yeah, you got to keep. So you hear the horns? They're just constantly blowing. So anyway, I'm going to take you with me on the bus. And I don't have my mask on now, but they do wear masks pretty. Yeah, they do wear masks down here, pretty more so than in Playa del Carmen. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my mask on in just a second. Again, I take you along the way. Don't get on this bus, which is, a lot of the buses kind of raggedy, sort of them. A lot of them, but they still serve their purpose. So that's the main point. I'm gonna take the R2 bus. R1 bus is another one that takes you to Playa del Carmen, but I'm gonna take the R2 bus or R1. Both of them stop at Walmart. So if you ever, Walmart seems like to be kind of a central thing here. Anytime you're trying to go to the city of Cancun, the other Cancun, you probably want to go to Walmart as your starting point, and then that's like gonna get you to where you need to go. So anyway, let me jump on this bus and kind of just pretty much give you my first impression, share what's going on in the area. This is not a thorough video. I would do one later, but I just want to kind of do bits and pieces, try to catch this weather while it's nice right now. So anyway, I'll pick up on the bus in just a second. Yeah, I'm actually a little further than I wanted to be. Actually, I probably should be on the other side. I pretty much was just riding, not realizing where I was going. So I actually probably rode too far up, but that's fine. I got to kind of see the island a little bit more, and there was really nothing on. I guess that's what considered the marina side. I guess I probably need to make sure I check out the ocean side. So I'm gonna cross the street and get on the bus to go the other direction. Alright guys, so I made it to my destination. Supposedly you're supposed to be able to just kind of throw your hands up in one of the buses, R1 or R2, at least that's what I heard. And they're supposed to be able to just pick you up. But R1 didn't pick me up. I don't know because it was full or just whatever. They didn't pick me up, but I raised my hand for R2 and it picked me up. But it wasn't full, so I don't know, maybe the other one was full and just couldn't take any more. Yeah, well That's a flea market, Coral Negro. So maybe this is whenever you're trying to get here and trying to figure out where to go, and I mean, unless you know exactly where to go, just pick Coco Bongo or something like here. I think this is kind of the beginning of the party zone. I see a lot of fence. Let me turn around here. Yeah, this is the fence. So I think this may be actually beginning of the party zone at nighttime, or the zone, hotel zone. Where everything is located, you can kind of hear the music in the background. It's not big, actually. You know, even though this whole area is huge, the area you probably want to hang out and party at is probably just small. There's a Fat Tuesday right there. Cotoritos, something like that. So. Good. Oh, no, not today, my man. Next time. I know you are. I know you're my buddy. You're my amigo. I see this. It's a place to eat. That's Senor Frog right here. Alright, this is basically the party zone. Basically, I'm here. Coco Bongo. Again, just pick Coco Bongo. I don't know what I was doing. I took basically a tour of the island, basically, or the peninsula, basically. This is the forum. This is where a lot of things are located. So let's kind of go in here and see what's up. Over our cafe. It's turned out to be a really beautiful day. Again. Oh, no. Just, not today, not right now. Maybe later.
What are you looking for?
Nothing.
All right.
You're definitely in the area where they're trying to make a little money here. Let me take a picture of this. Famous Coco Bar. Coco Bongo Show and Disco. No security. I think that's a recent thing right there. Probably because of something else that happened kind of south of the city, or north of the city, wherever the other place is located. Alright guys, this is kind of also a quick first impression of Cancun. Obviously this different size of the area is noticeable downtown, and again I'll create a separate video for that. It's definitely different from this side of town, actually. But to be honest with you, not that much different. Because I mean, other than this part right here, as I was riding up the marina side, it looks no different. But I think the difference is some of the buildings look the same, obviously. But yeah, it obviously look different. But it's because they have a much better background. You know, I mean, when you can throw any kind of hood, but if you put some nice palm trees and some beaches behind it, it's going to look so much better than just being on some land with other places that doesn't look all that great. So yeah, Abalingo is actually a popular place. Again, this area is not that big for the party zone. Definitely coming back. Yeah, like building like that. I mean, you probably don't see it, but it looks probably great in the video. But it's definitely beaten up. Quite a few buildings like they've been beaten up. So I guess it's not as ultra modern and clean as it look in a lot of the videos, especially with nice sunlight. But they definitely been beaten up a little bit, you know. Alright, let me pick back up somewhere else, because I mean I'm not walking too much further. I actually need to get something to eat, so let's walk somewhere else here. Alright, let's kind of walk up in here. A lot of places up in here. A lot of accessories, souvenirs. I don't know what the difference between prices, some of the same stuff that I see over where I'm at in Market 28, but I'm definitely expect it's a lot cheaper, probably 30-40% cheaper, probably. Again, a lot of these places are not open because it's still early. It's around noon time. It's a nice, warm 83 degrees. It feels it. Tonight will be a nice day. Oh no, not right, not right now. maybe. I'm just looking right now, guys. Just looking right now, guys. Just looking. What? Oh no. Yeah, see, he knows that there's no use to trying to sell me anything, because I'm right there near the location that where all the stuff is sold at. So kind of nice little scenery here. Oh, that's another one right there. It's got a nice little nooks and crevice up in here. Sometimes you just don't see this stuff at nighttime. There's one of the big supermarkets right there. Schedule. That must be a resort or something. This is what you hire when you want your grass cut in about 2 minutes. Look at that. About 20 people in that one little spot. 10, but it's still a lot of people. I don't know what that is. Hi guys, I just arrived at Market 28. One thing about those buses, you definitely need to know where you're headed to, because wow, had I not seen Sam Clubs in the background, I wouldn't know exactly where I was at. So yeah, I mean, you can probably ask and make sure, but I'm telling you, it'll get here so quick you won't even notice it. So that was R2. Supposedly R1 is supposed to bring you here too, but I guess not. So definitely take R2. All right, I think I'm going to end this video right now. It was a festive day. The weather has just been, listen, the weather's been just, again, the weather was just gorgeous throughout the whole day. So again, that's another picture of Market, partial of Market 28, Mercado 28. So actually over there is a Walmart. So they're all in the same area. So if you get up at Walmart or Market 28, just say Walmart to keep it simple. I'm not sure what this vehicle is doing, but anyway. So anyway, I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching. Again, I want to show you the beaches. I want to show you the nightlife at in Cancun, and even over here, maybe. We'll see. All right. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.